me, do I got the green light? Yeah, yeah. Tell me if I got the green light. Yeah, yeah. Tell me, do I got the green light? Yeah, yeah. Tell me, do I got the green light? Yeah, yeah. Tell me, do I got the far from you? Cause I'm lost from you. Playing my games, we can play for two. Between crossroads, don't know what to do. You been on my mind. You came out the blue, got me feeling like I don't need nobody else. Then you switch up like you somebody else. Looking at my cards that I was dealt, baby, cause that's how you always felt. Looking for something that's already missing. Acting like I was the only one tripping, like I was the one cold and distant. I'm sick of the tricks and the gimmicks. Got me feeling like I need Kanye. No, I love you, but you killing my high. No, yeah, 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 yeah. Tell me, do I got the green light? Do I got the green light? Yeah, yeah. Tell me if I got the green light. Do I got the green light? Yeah, yeah. Tell me, do I got the green light? Do I got the green light? Yeah, yeah. Tell me, do I got the green light? Do I got the green light? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tell me, do I got the green light? So careless. Think of you and I can't help it. Maybe I'm kinda selfish, or maybe I'm hella selfish. Sleepless nights and I'm feeling helpless. Feeling like this starting to hurt my spirit. Sometimes I'm floating in oblivion, cause the connection you was heaven sent. Trying to move on, I don't think I'm hitting a dent. So starting to miss our petty arguments. Don't care who is on, I'm starting this shit. Trying to be like, here we go again.